Okay, this video is for the first quiz of the second trimester, where we're trying to find the circumference when we're given the area. These seem to cause problems because it's not a direct substitution into a formula. So your strategy is use what you know. I know what area is. The area formula is pi r squared. If I can find the radius, I can find anything. So I want to solve this for the radius. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by pi. And I get 31.83. And then to solve that squared equation, to undo the squaring, take the square root of your 31.83 and get 5.64. I'm going to call it 5.642. Well, we're trying to find circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r. You get your formulas from your formula sheet. So now it's just a simple substitution. So 2 times pi times 5.642. 35.4497. So if you're rounding, usually they're rounding to the nearest tenth. 35.4. So the next question is going to be to find the area of the sector with the given information, and we're going to say that the radius is 5. So the area of the sector is to take the section of the circle that we're talking about. Well, this is 260, so 360 minus 260 is 100. Take 100 out of 360, and that is the fraction of the area we're talking about. Area is pi r squared. So that's 25 pi. 100 divided by 360. This is when you want to go to your calculator now. 100 divided by 360 is 0.27. Repeating. Take that times 25 and then multiply by pi. So that's 22.816. Which would be 22.8 if you were doing the rounding to the nearest tenth. The question said find the arc length of this same sector. Now we're talking about a measure that involves circumference. So we still are going to use our 100 divided by 360. Only this time we're going to multiply by 2 pi r. So we're going to be multiplying by 10 pi instead of by 25 pi. So 100 divided by 360 times 10 times pi, 8.7266. So 8.7. And whatever your units are, if they're centimeters, for instance, this would be centimeters squared because it's area. And this is just centimeters because we're talking about length.